It's been a couple of hours since I last vlogged. I have Frasier on right here. I'm just gonna pause it for a quick second to show you guys what I'm making for dinner, because I was asked to do like more recipes and I just need to get this in, but I'll show you guys. Let me turn on this light really quickly, but it's just a pan sheet, like a one pan sheet meal. Chicken, and then broccoli, yellow, red, and green bell peppers, and a red onion, tossed in olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and the chicken is in salt, pepper, paprika as well. You can obviously cut those up into cubes, but I just kept the chicken breast whole. So that is going to work itself for about 30 minutes ish. And I am gonna make some mashed potatoes just because I didn't have any potatoes to add to the pan. I have russet potatoes, but those are for like baked potatoes, and I don't have time to make those because those take about an hour. I need to clean off the countertops, and I need to do all of this stuff right here. So the last clip that I think you guys saw was me cooking dinner and then what it ended up looking like afterwards. And since then it's been a couple hours and I have been editing since then, and it is almost 10 o'clock. But I finished exporting Vlogmas Day 8 and I'm uploading Plaid Week Day 3. So all in all, a very productive night from an editing standpoint. Can't complain. And I'm already prepping on my other laptop. I'm already prepping Vlogmas Day 9. So it's got to render. It's basically going to render all night, and then I'll be able to start editing it tomorrow night. So that's where we're at. I'm basically getting my bed ready. I did not sleep in here last night. My daughter and I had a slumber party in the game room, which was super fun. She has a bunch of her friends here right now. They're all upstairs, so random information. Tomorrow I am gonna start wrapping presents. I'm still trying to figure out how the rest of Plaid Week is going to go. Let me turn this way so that the lighting's a little bit better. I'm still trying to figure out how the rest of Plaid Week is gonna go. I have some stuff sitting out on the kitchen table that I organized today that was supposed to be part of my Plaid Week DIY video. I'll show you guys what I have sitting out there, but I basically need to get that filmed, but I don't know if that's going to be Plaid Week Day 4, if it's going to be Plaid Week Day 5, because I also want to do another video where I'm just kind of cozy and like plaid and like wrapping presents and maybe doing some like cozy movie night chill video. I really wanted a lot of my Plaid Week videos to be a little bit more low-key this year and not so much of a production. Music prepping. I have all of this sitting out here. These coasters, picture frames, I always do. Okay. Anyway, so some picture frame stuff. I really have no idea how any of this is going to turn out, but I'm going to attempt it. So, yeah, so some plaid stuff. I'm going to try to like make my own coasters. we will see how it's all going to turn out. I think I want to make over this sign right here. We're starting off this Vlogmas sitting down. I have no idea what day this is gonna be because I haven't been vlogging every day. So I don't know how that's gonna work out. Are you kind of tilted? I don't know. Okay, anyway, I did a little bit of Christmas shopping, and so I thought it would be fun to show you guys like a little quick haul of what I got for myself, for my daughter. And if you watch both of my channels, then you'll probably end up seeing some of this stuff in my what I got for Christmas video, which I do a couple days after Christmas time. I was going to actually vlog this like shopping, except when I woke up this morning, my camera was dead, which I actually just filmed on my phone. So my phone was dead and I thought it was charging the whole night and it wasn't. So yeah, so I just didn't have the battery power to do that. And I thought, well, I'll just show you guys what I got. Now this I didn't get while I was out shopping, but it came in the mail this morning. And I placed another order from this place right here. And I actually got a shirt. So this place is really like made for guys. I don't know that they're making that much for girls, although they like use like women models in some of their stuff. But I think this is like a guy shirt, but I want a long sleeve like t-shirt thing, so I can wear with like my leggings and stuff. You'll see this a little bit better when I do my what I got for Christmas. But this is the back of the shirt, by the way. So it's like a mountain landscape. The next thing that I got is this hat. See, to me, like obviously these hats are made for guys, but it's very trendy for women to like do the boyfriend jeans, like the boyfriend look. Excuse me. So as long as like I feel like I add feminine touches, I think it would be really cute. And I saw this with the leather and the navy, and I just love it. And the back has that navy aspect. I thought, what would be a Christmas or birthday for myself if I didn't get myself a hat? And then this was a surprise. I actually got this for free with purchase because of like I guess I spent over a certain amount. I don't really know what the deal was, but I got the red hat with the dog. What? I was so excited. They do have a new plaid actually, and I debated back and forth, but in the end I wanted this hat more, and so I got this hat. This I couldn't choose like what I wanted for free. This was just like the red hat specifically is what they were giving away for free. Okay, anyway, let's move on. I went to Nordstrom's Rack and I got myself some PJs. I'm super excited. I feel like everywhere I've gone, PJs are so expensive. Target, so expensive, at least for the ones that I want, like a set like this with the long pants and the long sleeve top. Where else? Victoria's Secret, they be wanting an arm and a leg for some pajamas. And I went to Nordstrom's Rack and I was really pleasantly surprised that this was $29. I mean, kind of close to the price of what Target is. It's basically a Target price. And just so that you can kind of see the pattern better, how adorable is that? Is this not me to a T? Now, this is not something I'm gonna wrap up and put under the tree for me. This is what I'm gonna wear like on Christmas Eve and be like my pajamas. But like this other stuff, I'm wrapping it up. I know what it is, but it'll still be a surprise anyway. And then I got my daughter some Nike pants. I could not believe how cheap they were. Because I had just come from the mall, just come from Dick's Sporting Goods, and I was actually looking at Nike stuff, and I was like, $65? $85? These pants were $29 at Nordstrom's Rack. And they are just some black joggers, basically. So, I'm sorry, but you know how my camera is with black. It like either washes me out or like blinds the screen a little bit. But anyway, see that? Isn't that? What? Okay, whatever. So I got these for my daughter and I'm just so excited. This is a slim fit too, so I really like that. I feel like she's really going to like this. And I feel like these slim fits remind me a lot of Lululemon in the fit style, and these were $29. And Lululemon's like $100. And then I saw this, again, we're still on Nordstrom's Rack, and this is Neutrogena Rain Bath. I've never seen this product. I probably could have spent less for this at Walmart, but I have no idea. It is pear and green tea, and let me tell you, oh, that smell is divine. Why I didn't get one for me is the problem. So I'm gonna have to go back and get one for myself. And that was basically it from Nordstrom's Rack. Then I went to Forever 21. I mean, I just looked and looked, and Forever 21 gives me a little bit of anxiety when attempting to shop there for my daughter, because my daughter has a very specific yet basic style, and Forever 21 is a hard place for me to shop. I don't know why. Anyway, irrelevant information. I always buy her little cute socks every year. This is a gift that goes under the tree. I got her the little shark, which I thought was cute. And then this one, little bear camp out. These are all $1.90 each. And then this little Hawaiian pair. And a koala. How cute is that, right? Oh my gosh, that one's so cute. And then avocados. I feel like she has some similar to this, but that's basically it. And then I got a little like bralette kind of thing. It's really pretty, really dainty, and I love, look at this little sheer part there. It's just really beautiful. So I got that. All right, and the very last thing to show you is from Nordstrom's. So I went to Nordstrom's Rack after Nordstrom's, and I didn't realize that it was like a bunch of gray stuff, but again, my daughter's like on the very basic level. Some things she does like wear like patterns and colors, but oh, this top right here is super soft. I mean, if only you could feel that. This is a gray. I like the collar. I feel like she could wear some necklaces and it would be really cute. And then it seems to be like an oversized style. So I feel like tucking this front part into like some skinny jeans and wearing some Vans or something like would be completely her. The next thing, I'm risking it. I mean, if not, it will just go back to Nordstrom's. But this is a Brandy Melville top, and it's a crop top. I can't see you, so I don't want to like cover my face, because if I do, you won't be able to hear me. But is that not cute? The only problem that I wasn't sure is the writing on the sleeve. She doesn't really like writing too much unless it's like a band, like Rolling Stones or something like that. And even then, she's very particular about her style. So I love that there's nothing on the back. Thank goodness. Sometimes I feel like they ruin a really good top by like displaying a huge thing. Now some tops like that are cute, but then there's some where you just wish they didn't do something, you know? They're like, oh, this one little thing and it would have just been the cutest top. Do you know what I'm talking about? All right, the next top is black, so sorry if it goes crazy, but look how cute this little crop top is. With the little buttons, I don't feel like she has anything like this, and it has a collar, which I really like. Oh, by the way, this stuff was all on sale, $24. I mean, it's not bad for Nordstrom's. Little cutoff-ish type bottom. The Brandy Melville was also $24, and I don't know how much this gray one was. Oh, I should probably know that. Okay, this next one is a Topshop brand. It's just like a plain little t-shirt, but it's kind of like crop, but it's like a longer style crop, and the back is longer than the front, which I like. It's very simple, just very, very simple, very boxy. So I got her that. And then the last one is also a gray t-shirt, but it's more of a t-shirt and not a crop. And I liked it because it has like the roll details. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing really special to this, except I have no idea how much I spent on this one either. $18. So that was $18, and so was this one was $18 as well. And I had some Nordstrom's points, so that was exciting. But that's basically it, starting off this Vlogmas with a haul. I hope that you guys are finding some ideas if you need them, if you know, if your life is similar to mine.